Hey all, today we're going to discuss how to do a knife edge spin. This is the third in the Aerobatic tutorial spin series. So the knife edge spin is a high rate maneuver and you're going to want to have an aerobatic plane. It can be a little bit difficult to get out of, so make sure your plane does a decent inverted flat spin, and that will help you get out of this maneuver and ensure you don't get in trouble and lose your plane. So unlike your upright or your inverted flat spins, the knife edge spins a little quicker. It drops quite a bit faster, so it can cause a little bit of anxiety, but it's really not that hard. So let's get into it. All right, first of all, we're going to just start out with our down line. Once we start going down, we're going to go to left aileron. We're going to ease up the throttle a little bit to gain some momentum. At that point, we're going to just toss over the right rudder just slightly, and that's going to cause the plane to cant over. Then we add down elevator and left rudder at the same time, and that's going to cause the plane to start to spin. Now we're about 3/4 left aileron trying to balance it out, and that's going to allow the plane to drop really easy. And then we just move into our flat spin, which is right rudder, right ailerons, and down elevator. That's going to spin the plane out. Alright, this time we're going to speed it up slightly, but you can see here there is a very fluid movement between adding the down elevator and adding the right rudder, and they've got to move together, and that'll catch the plane. Here it is full speed, you can see it catches over, drops down, and we spin out. I think probably the hardest part of getting into this is remembering to do that right rudder before you do the left rudder. If you don't do that right rudder before the left, you're going to have a hard time catching the plane. This is not a difficult maneuver, but it takes a little bit of practice. Until next time, please like, share, subscribe, and happy landing.